Hello and welcome. This is Michele Christensen of One Noteworthy Life, and in this video I'll show you how to create this fun and useful, but first, coffee sticker. Now, I myself am an avid OneNote fan, and I use OneNote to keep just about everything in my life and all the details organized and moving forward. I'm a YouTube creator, I'm a blogger at OneNoteworthyLife.com, and I host the OneNote Bullet Journal Facebook group. I created this sticker because I realized that I had a lot of small tasks that just seemed to linger because they weren't urgent, but they did need to get done. I decided I wanted to tackle one per day as a top priority and start shrinking that list. Now, at first I used this emoji, this pointing finger that you see on item number 3, and you can find that using the emoji option in OneNote for Windows 10, and I'll show that to you real quick. You just click the Windows key and the period, and you get this emoji keyboard with all kinds of fun emojis. Now, this did work, but I wanted something a little bit more bold, a little bit more prominent and kind of in my face. I also wanted it to be more fun, and I wanted it to take up some space on the page to keep me from cramming more onto this page, and so I created this sticker. And now I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing you'll need is an image. If you like the look of my sticker, you'll want an image with a transparent background. You can get this image from whatever source you want. You can buy something or search for a free download. Be sure to check what rights come with the image so that you don't accidentally misuse it. Limiting your search to files in just the PNG format should help you to find more images with a transparent background. You can also use an image with a background if you prefer that. Now, for today's demo, I got my images directly from Microsoft Word. These are just little images that you can use right in that program. So this sticker is actually a table that is 1 column wide by 3 rows tall. So we're going to start by inserting a table. So it's 1 column wide by 3 tall. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my text size nice and big. I'm going to use a 22 here, because it'll make the rows tall and give us some room to work with and make it a little bit more prominent as a sticker. So in this bottom row, I'm going to add my text. So in my case, that's but coffee first. And then you're going to go and grab your image, which in my case is this coffee mug. I've already pasted it here into another page of OneNote for this demo. So I'm going to click copy. I go back to my table, and if you see my cursor is right at the end of this line of type right here. It's right after the 3 dots, and I'm going to click Control V, and it pastes my image right in there. If you need to, you can resize this image if you want it a little smaller, which I don't. In this middle row, I'm going to put a to-do tag, and then in the top row, I'm going to add my text. And this is actually functional. It works as is, but I think the thing that really makes it fun is to shade it so it looks more like a sticker. So I'm going to highlight all 3 cells in the table and go to my table shading. Now I like, these are kind of the basic theme colors here, and then you can go to more colors and find all kinds of fun colors. And I think that the color I picked, let's see, might have been here in this brown family. So yeah, that's actually not bad. It's a little bit too dark though, a little bit hard to read that dark text. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the shading, and I'm going to try, let's see what else I can find here. I think I like maybe this one. Yeah, that's better. Now I only had the bottom one highlighted, so I'm going to go shade these 2 the same color. Okay, there is my sticker. It's done. And well, you can actually change your font if you like to create a mood. I like this Cooper Black for this sticker. I think that just kind of really drives the mood home. And then the last thing I want to show you is that this sticker really comes to life when you add a page color. So I'm going to click somewhere else on my page, and from the view menu, I'm going to click page color. I like these nice translucent kind of colors, so I'm going to pick maybe this bluish purple. And there it is. There's our but coffee first. So you can move it around and on your page. And this is actually a to-do tag, so you do have the functionality of the tag in OneNote, and you could actually, if yours, like mine is just about doing one thing, but if yours was about doing more things, you could add, more to-do tags on there. So that's an example of how you make this kind of a similar sticker to what I have. But I wanted to show you that this is actually kind of a pretty adaptable sticker that you can make something else that's completely different but kind of do the same sort of thing. So in this case, I'm going to make a sticker that's a little more fun, but I'm going to start the same way. Insert a table. It's 1 row wide by 3 tall. I'm going to make my font size nice and big. I'm going to go to a 22 so that my rows are tall. And in this case, I'm going to make this more about celebration. So I've typed my text for the bottom row. I'm going to go grab my image here, and this is kind of looks like people dancing to me. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Go back to my table, and again, my cursor is right at the end of the line of text. It's right after the exclamation point. I'm going to click Control-V to insert. And I'm going to add my to-do tag. So now we can play around with some of the fonts and stuff. So let's see if we can find kind of a fun font to use on this. I like this Bradley Hand ITTV. And I think it just needs to be bold, just to make it show up a little more. There we go. And then in the first example, I have the entire sticker as one color, but because this is supposed to be more about fun and celebrating, I am going to see if I can have some fun with the shading, put some bright colors in there. Let's try a nice orange. And then maybe a nice bright green. That's actually a little too dark. I don't like to use the dark colors when I'm going to write over them because they are just too hard to see. And let's try, how about, I'm going to go to the more colors option here so I get a lighter shade of purple. There, now we have this nice festive looking sticker. So that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you create this fun and useful sticker for your OneNote pages, and it's all done completely in OneNote except for the image, which you may need to grab from someplace else. So this video is part of a playlist I created called OneNote Pretty Pages. So if you use anything you find in this video or any of the other videos in this playlist, please share it with the hashtag OneNote Pretty Pages so that we can find each other's pages and inspire each other. So this, if you're watching this video on YouTube, please hit the thumbs up button so I know you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.